Ever had a problem while looking for stocks to invest in? Yes, that's why we are here with the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We will be coming up with so many amazing videos. Yes, in this video we'll be talking about the 5 best stocks that has been suggested by Motilal Oswal Financial Services to invest in July 2021. Yes, and out of that we have filtered 5 stocks which we feel that it will be hitting their targets in the coming months. So if you're a long-term investor, please stay tuned. And also if you don't have any idea about investing in stocks, yes, please subscribe to the channel. We'll be coming up with so many learning content as well. So with the help of Ticker Tape and with the help of TradingView, we will get to know what stocks and which stocks they have suggested us to invest in. Yes, now let's go to the screen. Yes, so the first company is Bajaj Finance Limited. As you all know, it is one stock from Bajaj Group and it is a non-banking finance company, and the company is engaged in lending and allied activities. And as you can see here, it is currently trading at 6,149 rupees and the 1 month low is 5,920 and the high is 6,342. And Motilal Oswal is forecasting that the prices of this is going to go up till 6,900 rupees in 1 year. So exactly, yes. And according to Ticker Tape, as you can see here, this is a right time to enter in the stock as it is not in the overbought zone and also they does not have any red flags. Before making the investments, please read about it more. So now let's go to the technical side. Bajaj Finance is currently trading at 6,149 and the target is 6,900 rupees. So what I have to say is it has been on a clear uptrend from 12th May 2021, and if we plot a line, okay, if we plot a trend line here, like kind of becomes a triangle, and what you can see here, there has been a descent in the price, and if it is touching the bottom or this particular primary trend line and the secondary trend line, if it is intersecting the primary trend line, then what you can see here is a breakout. Again, if I replot this to this particular area, that is from 6th July to the present day, you can see here there is going to be a consolidation or there is going to be an intersection between the two lines. So as you can see here, this will also give a breakout and 6,900 is the target which is achievable in 1 year. But we feel that it will reach a target before that. Now let's go to the second company. Yes, so the next company that we are talking about is Vanity Organics. So Vanity Organics Limited is engaged in the manufacture of organic and inorganic chemical compounds. So as you can see here, it is currently trading at 1,932.5, and yes, the entry point is also right, no red flags. It is actually a good stocks to invest in right now as per Motilal Oswal. So 1 month low is 1,708 rupees and the 1 month high is 2,132. Now while seeing the huge swing, you can see that how much potential this stock has. So now let's go to the technical side. As you can see here in the technical side, this has been on a very clear downtrend since 30th March or maybe 1st April 2021, and from there it tried moving up till 2169, which is the primary target which was set by Motilal Oswal. So as you can see here, it has tried moving up till 2130 and from there it started moving down. So again, we are expecting that this will come down to touch the trend line and from there it will fly up to 2169, and again the holding period is still 1 year. So that is the exaggerated figure, but yes, if you are a long-term investor, then yes, keep it and you will get the target in the coming days. So yes, that is the second company that we are talking about. And now let's look into the third company. The third company that we are talking about is Laurus Labs Limited, and as you can see here, Laurus Labs Limited is a research and development pharmaceutical company. It also manufactures API in oncology and other therapeutic areas. Yeah, okay. So again, this stock is also not on the overbought zone and this is the right time to enter as per Ticker Tape, and also there is no red flags. Yes, please go to each and every details in Ticker Tape and also take your own analysis before investing in any of these stocks, because there is a lot to read about before investing in long term, because you cannot randomly invest in any of the companies. Yeah, the target price for Laurus Lab is rupees 800 and it is currently trading at 677 rupees. So from mid of May, it has been on a clear uptrend, and as you can see here, from 1st July, maybe towards the end of June, it started consolidating between 695 and 666, which is around 30 rupees, and it has been trading constantly in that particular range. So if there is a breakout, so whenever a breakout comes from that range, it will be a massive breakout and it will fly up to 800 rupees in the next 1 year. So it will be around 20% returns in less than a year, which is actually considerably good. Now let's look into the fourth stock, that is Tata Motors. Yes, as you all know that Tata Motors has considerably came down in the last week, and let's go to the analysis. Okay, as per Ticker Tape, this is not in the overbought zone and also it does not have any red flags, and it is mainly vehicle manufacturing company and also owns several brands. The high in last 1 year is 360 rupees and the low is 100 rupees, and looking into 1 month, as you can see here, the high is 360 rupees and the low is 301.85 rupees. So looking into the chart, yes, this is actually a very good company to invest in because the fundamentals is actually great about Tata Motors. So the recent fall has happened because of the chip shortage that has been reported by their allied companies, and as you can see here, from 21 December 2020 it has been on a clear uptrend. And yeah, in the previous post-market video, we have talked about this, and that's why the rectangle is still here. And as you can see here, it has been a very good resistance zone for Tata Motors, and from there it came down to touch 302.30 and it tried moving up. So the target for Tata Motors in the next 1 year is 400 rupees, and as you can see here, it took a support at 302. There will be a huge movement of about 30% is what Motilal Oswal is expecting. And also, since this is a very good stock and a break, even though a trendline breakout towards the downside happened, the company has good potential, and yes, it is going to fly up till 400 in the coming days. According to various researchers and security companies, they say that in next 2-3 years Tata Motors is going to hit 1000 rupees. Do your thorough analysis and fundamental and technical analysis before investing in any of these companies. Now let's look into the fifth or the last stock, that is Indian Hotels Company. Indian Hotels Company is currently trading at 147.95. as you can see here, it is not in the overbought zone and it is kind of in the right time to enter in the stock, and also there are no red flags. The high in the last 1 month is 157 rupees while the low is 125 rupees is what we can see here. Now let's go to the and before that, it is Indian Hotels Company Limited is a holding company engaged in short-term accommodation activities and restaurants and mobile food service activities. So that is their main business stream. Now looking into the charts, yes, this has also been in a very good uptrend since 22 April 2021, and the target price is 180 rupees, which is around 30%. Yes, that is actually great because this company, it is trading at 147.95 rupees, but if a breakout happens from 157, it will fly up to 180 is what we could understand from our forecast. And also for this long-term investors, you can use the 50 and 200 moving average, which will give you a clear idea about if you should invest in that particular company or not. So there has been a golden crossover and it was about to have a death cross at this point, but yeah, as you can see here, it touched the support of 50 moving average, or it took a support of 200 moving average, and from there it started flying up from 5th May 2021, and as you can see here, it has gone up till 156 and now it is trading at 147.95. so I hope you all will invest wisely, and yes, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. We'll be coming up with so many amazing content in the future. Thanks for watching again. Bye.